Meaning of emulsion paint.
Emulsion paint.
Emulsion paint.
Emulsion paint.
Emulsion paint. Emulsion paint is a type of water-based paint that consists of pigment particles, resin, and water. When applied to a surface, the water evaporates, leaving behind a smooth, even layer of color. Emulsion paint is known for its durability and resistance to fading, cracking, and peeling. It is also easy to clean with soap and water and dries quickly. This type of paint is commonly used for interior walls and ceilings, and it is available in a wide range of colors and finishes, such as matte, eggshell, and glossy.